The answer for all your plumbing needs is Jim Monger Plumbing. Jim Monger is a master plumber and his team are experts at all facets of plumbing: draining, rainwater tanks, septic tanks, hot water and solar hot water systems, trench digging, machine hire and more. With over 35 years experience, Jim Monger Plumbing offers reliable service, quality tradesmen and great apprentices. We even offer a discount for all Broncos players and supporters. Jim Monger Plumbing. Master plumbers with the best service and the ones to trust.